Okay, so we have our first question here, which is simple and straight to the point. Now, the question says, convert 45 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, convert 45 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now, I don't want you to try using any formula, okay? Let's use the calibration method we just explained and solve this. So I know you might have known a formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, okay? So, but just wait and let's use calibration. So, what I have to ask myself is, what scales are involved? What are the two scales involved? The two scales involved are Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale. So, I can draw the two scales. So, let me call this my Fahrenheit scale, and then this one is my Celsius scale. For the Celsius scale, what is the freezing point? 0. What is the boiling point? 100. For the for the Fahrenheit scale, what is the freezing point? 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So remember, we said all those things. And the upper fixed point is 212. Now, we are converting a temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. So 45, put 45 somewhere here. And we are looking for the equivalent here. Call it X. So 45 degrees Celsius is equivalent to X. Let's now solve for X. So small interval, what is my small interval? X minus 32. So this is my small interval. Over, what is my large interval? Here and here. So 212 minus 32 is equal to, what is my small interval here? 45 minus 0 over, what is my large interval? 100 minus 0. So I will say X minus 32 is equal to 212 minus 32 will give me 180. Is equal to 45 divided by 100. So what do I do next? I can cross multiply. Now when I cross multiply, I will have 100 will multiply everything here. So I have 100 bracket X minus 32 equals 180 times 45. 180 times 45. To make the numbers smaller, I can say 0 cancels 0 here. 5 here is 2, 5 here is 9, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 9, okay? So I can say X minus 32 is equals 9 times 9, that will give us 81. So that X becomes 81 plus 32. So X becomes equal to 81 plus 32 would give us what? 113 degrees Fahrenheit. So a temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so that is the answer. That is the answer to that question. Okay, so remember, all we needed to do was we draw the two scales. Okay, we draw the two scales, and when we draw the two scales, we represent their upper and lower fixed points, So why did I draw Fahrenheit? Because I am converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And then use the formula small interval over large interval is a constant. So when I do that, I will get my answer as 113 degrees Celsius. Okay, so make sure you do this. In the next video, we'll take another similar question. So see you in the next video.